Welcome to Clever Mum. Welcome to your step-by-step guide to making a macchiato at home, a simple yet delicious coffee drink that combines bold espresso with creamy, frothy milk. In this video, we're going to unpack not just the how-to, but also the why behind each step, so you'll feel confident recreating this coffee shop classic anytime you want. Whether you're new to coffee brewing or a home espresso enthusiast, this video is designed to elevate your coffee game. Let's dive in. Introduction. We'll begin by exploring what a macchiato actually is and how it differs from other coffee drinks. Translating to stained or spotted in Italian, the macchiato gets its name from the way a small amount of milk foam stains the rich espresso beneath it. It's perfect for people who enjoy the full-bodied flavor of espresso but want just a touch of creamy, airy milk to round out the bitterness. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to make a macchiato, but also learn tips for customizing it to suit your personal taste preferences. Step 1. Gather your ingredients and tools. Before anything else, let's set up your coffee station. Here's what you'll need for the perfect macchiato. Espresso. This is the star of the show. Use either an espresso machine or substitute with strong brewed coffee if you don't have one. Milk. Whole milk is ideal because it froths better. However, you can use non-dairy alternatives like oat or almond milk. Milk frother or whisk. This is how you create the essential foam layer. A French press can also work as a frother in a pinch. Cup or glass. A small espresso cup perfectly complements the macchiato's minimalist design. For reference, most macchiatos are only 2 to 4 ounces in volume. We're also touching on optional extras, like flavored syrups for added variety, though the traditional macchiato is unsweetened. Setting up these tools beforehand saves time and ensures that your brewing process flows smoothly. Step 2. Brew your espresso. Now, let's get brewing. Start by preparing 1 to 2 shots of espresso, which is usually about 1 to 2 ounces of liquid. If you're using an espresso machine, grind your coffee beans finely and tamp them evenly in the portafilter. Aim for a brewing duration of around 25 to 30 seconds for optimal flavor extraction. The result should be a small but intense shot of coffee with a rich golden crema on top. If you don't have an espresso machine, don't worry. Use another method to make strong coffee. A mocha pot or AeroPress can mimic espresso-like intensity. The idea is to achieve a strong, concentrated coffee flavor, so experiment with your preferred brewing method until you're satisfied with the result. Now that we've talked about the caffeinated essence of this drink, we've set the stage for what's next, the part everyone loves, the frothing process. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into creating that signature foam that really distinguishes the macchiato. Here's where the magic happens, frothing the milk. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and warm it up to around 150 degrees, approximately the temperature where it's steaming but not boiling. Frothing involves aerating the milk to create a light, creamy foam. You can use a milk frother, steam wand, handheld whisk, or even a French press to achieve this texture. The goal is a thick foam that holds its shape yet is soft enough to gently blend with the espresso. For those using plant-based milk, you may notice that some alternatives froth better than others. Oat milk is widely regarded as one of the best non-dairy options for creating luscious foam. Regardless of what milk you choose, the process remains the same. Tilt your frothing pitcher slightly to create a vortex and work the frother until the foam develops a creamy microfoam texture. Step 4. Assemble your macchiato. Once your espresso and milk foam are ready, it's time to bring everything together. Grab your small espresso cup and pour the freshly brewed espresso into it. Then, gently spoon the foamed milk on top, aiming for a dollop of foam to sit neatly in the center of the coffee. Remember, the milk is meant to stain the espresso rather than overpower it, so the milk to espresso ratio should remain small, usually 2 parts espresso to 1 part milk foam. Presentation is key to a macchiato's appeal, so take your time pouring and arranging. If you want to add a personal touch, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or cocoa powder over the foam, or add a drop of vanilla or caramel syrup during the coffee brewing stage for a flavoured variation. Step 5. Enjoy and experiment. Congratulations, you've just made your very own macchiato. Sip and savour the bold, rich espresso flavour, complemented by the creamy texture of the milk foam. The best part of making coffee at home is the freedom to experiment, so don't hesitate to tweak the recipe. Love a bolder coffee flavour? Add an extra shot of espresso. Prefer a slightly sweeter twist? Stir in a small amount of honey or flavoured syrup. Consider turning your coffee making into a daily ritual rather than merely a task. For instance, experiment with latte art techniques to elevate your creations even further. While not traditionally required for a macchiato, mastering the basics of steamed milk art can give your coffee a sophisticated touch. Coffee tips, beginner to advanced. To conclude the tutorial, let's dive into essential coffee tips that will refine your brewing skills. Fresh beans. Always start with high-quality, freshly roasted coffee beans. Grind matters. Invest in a reliable grinder for precise grind size, as it directly influences flavour. Water to coffee ratio. Stick to precise measurements for better control over taste. Temperature control. Keep an eye on brewing and frothing temperatures to ensure optimal flavour extraction. By practicing these tips, you'll elevate not only your macchiato, but any coffee drink you prepare. With time and creativity, you'll level up your coffee game significantly. And who knows, you might become the go-to barista for your friends and family. Now that you know how to make a macchiato at home, you've not only unlocked a new skill, but also created a foundation for experimenting with other coffee recipes. From cappuccinos to lattes, your journey as a home barista is just beginning. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be delicious. To end, we pose a question to you. What's your favourite coffee drink, and have you ever tried making it at home? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who loves coffee or wants to try their hand at becoming their own barista. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Clever Mum for more delightful and easy to follow tutorials just like this one. Until next time, enjoy your macchiato and keep brewing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.